Hey guys, I'm E01 Pro Beats and welcome to 2-minute mixing tip Tuesday. Let's start the timer. In today's video I want to talk to you about the input control inside Studio One. This feature was added in the version 4.5 I think. This is a feature that I use all the time to jumpstart my mixes. Let's get inside Studio One and I will show you how I use it. In front of us we have a blank session inside Studio One. I usually start by adding the files for the song that I need to mix. You can access the input control by clicking this little wrench inside the mixer under channel components, input control, and now we have it on top of the mixer. The first thing that I do when starting a new mix is just decreasing the gain of every single track so I can have a better headroom before starting mixing. I don't want to clip the master output. From this point I just start mixing, but not using the fader, but instead I'm using this little input knob on top. Play the song, adjust accordingly every single track, just have it like you want to mix it, and this will give you headroom. This will allow you to have a better mix with the faders at 0, so better gain staging, and you will have better resolution when trying to automate things because the faders have better resolution when around 0. And after you're done you can just hide the input control and now you have a good balanced mix even without touching the faders. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.